read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, me Sayyida Laim Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Or expected learning outcomes of number 8. The student is expected to count, identify, and write number 8 in words. So, let's start. First of all, we will teach the formation of number 8. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. Make a circle, make another circle. It will make number 8. It will make number 8. Student will count the objects and here are 8 pigeons. You will count with the students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pigeons. After that, you will ask this riddle from the students and visualize them this story and ask different questions. Display different objects on the table in different quantity. Call individually girls and boys, your students, and they will count the objects, how many razors, how many sharpeners, how many crystals, how many stones. It's time to say Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.